So I took a nap, and this is what I ended up looking like when I woke up. It's pretty gross.
Check this out, Jack and Jill went up the hill just to get crunk and jiggy. Hardcore two-step and walk it out. Lean rock and crank that mother-earing soldier boy. Jack slapped Jill, and Jill cut his dick off and shoved it down his throat. Yeah. Just look at my, just look at my, just look at my, just look at my, you not, I'm hot, you not, I'm hot, you not, I'm hot, you not, just look at my, just look at my.
So this is my second video with you. I should go close this door. So I think I'm really sick. I was getting sick. Because I kind of sound like a man. And then, like, can you not hear my voice? I don't think it's because the echo, because this is a bathroom. I'm in the shower. I was in there last night, just saying. So right now, you're watching Jersey Shore on your laptop. And I'm here, standing in my bathroom, talking to a laptop. You know, because I'm cool. Would you be my friend if I shaved my head, like, completely? Would you still love me? What if I look like this all the time? Wait, oh no, wait. I'll get it. If my hair wasn't this short. I think that'd be pretty gross. I haven't done that before, but... I can't see my face. So I have to back up and kind of yell. I have no clue if you even like this song, but I really feel like singing. And I sound like a man, and having braces makes me sound like a retard when I try. So, don't make fun of me, which you will anyway. I see it in the way you would do. No one else could ever get through. Holding back till I come around. Time and time again you wait for me to come in. And did you really look my way? 'Cause no one could have seen this coming. I would never let you down if I was running backwards in full time. So I can, and I will, and you'll see. The hero come running over and over tonight. Yeah, we were young and dumb, but it still was fun. And I guess these things just tend to fall apart. They fall. But if I build you a city, would you let me? Would you tear it down? But there you go for the last time. I know now what I should have known then, and I could still be ruthless if you let me. There you go when I'm not done. You're waving goodbye, well at least you're having fun. The rising tides will not let you forget me. Forget me. Said I like big butts and I cannot lie. Will you ever go to bed tonight? 'Cause when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get strong. Small, simple, safe price. Rise the weight and carry me with all of my regrets. This is not a small cut that scabs and dries and flakes and heals. And I'm not afraid to die. I'm not afraid to bleed and fuck and fight. I want the pain of payment. What's left but a section of hypnotized cuts, much like a slew of 1,000 unwanted fucks. Would you be my little cut? Would you be my 1,000 fucks? And make mark, leaving space for the guilt to be liquid, to fill and spill over and under my